Hey everyone, so today we're going to be doing some beef stew. I know it's a little bit different. All the videos lately have been with baking, but decided to do this today. Now, this is my own recipe. Basically, I'm showing you how to take any type of meat, or sorry, any type of steak. Doesn't have to be stewing beef. I'm going to show you basically how to take any cut and do it up for beef stew. Ready? So in the pot, I already have some oil, some plain Jane vegetable oil, and right off the top, I've tossed my steak. I've just used a regular round steak. I have a round steak. Cubed it up, tossed it in some flour, some salt, and now I'll drop these in some hot oil. Not too hot, over medium. Just like so. Now you want to make sure all the pieces come apart. So we're going to give that some nice color. Okay, so I don't know if the camera's going to pick this up. See, everything is browned, toasted. Some residue on the bottom, that's okay. Okay, now we're going to add about a quarter of a cup apple cider vinegar. We're going to use that to get all those brown bits off the bottom, like so. Alternatively, you could use red wine. Again, something I don't always keep on hand. Or even white wine if you want. Okay, next, 1 large onion, diced. Give that a stir. Two cloves of garlic in. Okay, now, if you have beef stock, use it. If it's just water, use that. Or you could do what I did. Try to dissolve some beef bouillon cubes in some water and add that to the pot. About 3 liters altogether. Bring that up to a boil, and then we are going to lower the temperature and let it simmer for about an hour before we add the potatoes and carrots. Okay, so it's been about an hour. It's been simmering away. You can see the color. It's darkened up a bit. So to this now, we're going to add 2 or 3 large potatoes, cubed. You can peel them if you want. We don't. It doesn't matter to us whether we do or not. And 3 to 4 large carrots sliced. Give it a good stir. Also at the same time, we're going to add a small handful of dried parsley. stems and all. And small dusting of rosemary. This is both picked from my own garden. And give that a quick stir. Now we're going to let this go for, cover it, bring it back up to the simmer, and let this go for another hour and a half, actually hour to an hour and a half. Okay, so about 45 minutes after I've added the carrots and the potatoes and the herbs, you can see it's simmering away just nice. I'm taking 3.5 teaspoons of cornstarch, and I'm just adding about the same amount of water. Stir it up. Make sure you get it all dissolved. And then we're just going to pour this in. And let it cook. Okay, it's been about 20 minutes, and as you can clearly see, it is thickened up very nice. Let me get a full, what I like to use. Just like that. There you go. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.